Today we are examining one of the most brilliant and complex doctrines of the 17th century Iranian philosopher Mulla Sadra, the famous Gradation of Existence, tashkīk al-wujūd, in which Mulla Sadra examines the connection between oneness and multiplicity in existence using what he calls vertical multiplicity, kathrat-i in Farsi, and horizontal multiplicity, or kathrat-i ʿarḍī. First, let's define the gradation of existence. Mulla Sadra argues that existence is a single unified reality, but it manifests in different degrees and different levels of intensity. Think of it as light. There is one source of light, but it shines through varying brightnesses and varying intensities. In this framework, existence ranges from God at the top of the pinnacle down to the prime matter. God's existence is the highest and most perfect. Every other being, whether a human being, a tree, or a rock, shares in existence, but at a lesser degree. Mulla Sadra calls this the gradation of existence, where all beings participate in the same reality, that is, existence, but with differences in their intensity and perfections. Now, here is the interesting part. Mulla Sadra uses this gradation to explain how oneness and multiplicity coexist. He says, in every level of existence, you'll find oneness in multiplicity. Even though there are many different beings, they are all connected by their shared reality, existence itself. At the same time, there is multiplicity in oneness. Existence is one, but it expresses itself in countless forms and intensities. Whether it's a rock, a star, or a human, all beings are part of the same tree of existence, but each occupies a unique place on its branches. To make this even clearer, Mulla Sadra explains multiplicity using two dimensions: vertical multiplicity, or kathrat-i in Farsi, and horizontal multiplicity, that is, kathrat-i ʿarḍī. Vertical multiplicity refers to the hierarchy of existence. At the top of this hierarchy is God, whose existence is absolute and perfect. Beneath him are levels of creation, like angels, humans, animals, plants, and inanimate objects, down to the prime matter. And each level represents a lower degree of existence compared to the being or the level above it. Humans, for instance, have intellect and will, so they exist at a higher intensity than animals. Animals, in return, have life and movement, placing them above plants which only grow. This hierarchy shows how existence unfolds from the most perfect to the least perfect, like light diminishing as it moves away from its source. Horizontal multiplicity refers to the diversity of beings within the same level of existence. For example, among humans, you have different individuals with unique characteristics like height, color, personality. Among plants, you have trees, flowers, and grass, all different forms within the same category. Horizontal multiplicity explains how existence differentiates itself into unique forms, even within the same level of hierarchy. This is why no two beings are identical, even though they share the same rank in their vertical hierarchy. So how do vertical and horizontal multiplicities fit together? Mulla Sadra explains that vertical multiplicity shows us how existence flows from unity to diversity in a hierarchical way. Horizontal multiplicity, on the other hand, shows how, even at each level of the hierarchy, there is richness and variety. Together, they demonstrate how existence is both unified and diverse. One reality, many expressions, oneness in multiplicity, and multiplicity in oneness. For Mulla Sadra, the gradation of existence isn't just a theory, it's a way of understanding the interconnectedness of all beings. It shows us that every part of creation, no matter how small or imperfect, reflects the same divine reality. It also teaches us humility and awe. Even though humans occupy a higher level of existence, we are part of the same cosmic order as plants and rocks. Ultimately, Mulla Sadra invites us to see the world as a tapestry of unity and diversity, woven together by the thread of existence. Whether we look at the hierarchy of beings or the diversity within each level, all points back to the same oneness of reality. Which begs the question, do you see more oneness or more multiplicity in the world around you? In this video, I didn't deliberately discuss a very important of this cosmology, this ontology. That is the role of quiddities in Mulla Sadra's metaphysics. In the next video, we are going to analyze his views on quiddities and their relationship with existence. Thanks for watching.